Hi everyone, how are you? It's nice to meet you all again. So today we are going to see a tutorial about how to output a statement. But before watching this video, make sure you watch all the previous videos and subscribe. So to output any following, it can be a message or a number or a decimal number. In other languages, we need 3 to 5 lines of code. Whereas in Python, as Python is simple, we just need only one line of code. So how to output? So to output anything, it can be a message or a number or a decimal number. To output that, we just start with print statement followed by in parenthesis. So what you need to output that following you should give inside this parenthesis. For example, I just need to output like a number 100. So to output after entering that, you just need to click this arrow button. So as you can see, Python interpreter reads this code and outputs the following number 100. So what about decimal number? So to output a decimal number, for example, I'm just giving 1.0, which is also 1. So I'm outputting it again. As you can see, Python interpreter reads that decimal number and outputs the following. So what about message or a word? So to do that, we just need to give and start with a double quotation or a single quotation and end with a double quotation or a single quotation. So let's see. So if you're starting with double quotation, you should end with double quotation. It should not be single quotation. Whereas you're starting with single quotation, you should end with single quotation. So don't confuse with that. So to output a message, I'm just giving so as you can see, I'm giving the run button. So as you can see, Python reads the code and outputs the following. But you can see the Python doesn't output the double quotation. So to output a message or sentence, you just need to give a double quotation on the beginning and the ending. So what happens if we remove the double quotation? So let's see what happens. So as you can see, Python interpreter throws out an error. Why? Because anything that you want to output as a word or a message or a sentence, you just need to give a double quotation or a single quotation. Otherwise, Python thinks that it is in syntax and reads that. But actually, that's not syntax. So that's why Python throws out syntax error. So that's all for today, guys. I just want to just give an intro for this print statement. But make sure you understand this properly because anything what you need to output or to an user, you just need this print statement. That's all for today, guys. Make sure you understand this well and practice this more and more. You can give your own message what you want, but make sure you're giving the double quotation or single quotation at the beginning and ending. That's all for today, guys. Bye.